Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshumash. Welcome y'all. Today we're going to be doing a very quick refurb of these. These are a set of old-fashioned clothes tongs that you would use in your top-loading washing machine of sorts to grab them and use them. Now, last year I was doing a video and the screws just came out and snapped, so I was like, well, that's not going to happen. So we are going to refurb these. They shouldn't take too long, but they will definitely look a lot better and I'll be able to use them in future videos. So without further ado, let's crack on. So these wooden tongs, I have no idea how old they are, but they are very old. So I'm going to take out the screws. Actually, that one's just coming out. There we go. So that's the screws removed. I'm going to chuck them. And here we have, very simple, two wooden tongs and the metal handle at the top, or the metal loop. So the only thing I can do with this, first off, is to sandblast it. So that's what I'm going to do. These I will rub down with the sander and we will get them nice and cleaned up. So that's what I'm going to do now. there we go, done and dusted. We have now gayed up the tongs. So we put the bolts all the way through on the other side, so that will help protect, as you saw I drilled through, so that will help to protect them for the future. The ends do meet, which is perfect for picking up the laundry, and yeah, just giving them a bit of a facelift really, because they're really nice, and I'm glad I just wanted to refurb them and clean them and just give them another lease of life, another day to work. So I will be using these in future videos. You will be seeing my gay sparkly tongs in future videos. So I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.